Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of St. Mary's Academy v. Carpitanos, GR number 143363, 376 SCRA 473. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on February 6, 2002. Let's dive right into it. Facts. St. Mary's Academy, SCRA, conducted an enrollment drive for the school year 1995 to 1996. As part of the campaign, SCRA sent a group of students to visit public schools in Dipolog City to solicit enrollment. Sherwin Carpitanos, a student of SCRA, was part of the group. The group was riding in a Mitsubishi Jeep owned by Vivencio Villanueva, and driven by James Daniel II, a 15-year-old student of SCRA. While on their way to one of the public schools, the Jeep turned turtle and Sherwin was killed. The parents of Sherwin, William and Lucia Carpitanos, filed a civil case against SCRA, James Daniel II, his parents, and Villanueva, for damages. Issue: whether SCRA is liable for the death of Sherwin Carpitanos. Ruling: no. The Supreme Court held that SCRA was not liable for the death of Sherwin Carpitanos. The court found that the immediate cause of the accident was the detachment of the steering wheel guide of the Jeep, and not the negligence of SCRA or the reckless driving of James Daniel II. The court also found that SCRA was not negligent in allowing a minor to drive the Jeep, as this was a common practice at the time. Rationale: the court found that the detachment of the steering wheel guide was the immediate cause of the accident. The court noted that the Jeep was in good condition before the accident, and that there was no evidence that James Daniel II was driving recklessly. The court found that SCRA was not negligent in allowing a minor to drive the Jeep. The court noted that this was a common practice at the time, and that SCRA had taken reasonable precautions to ensure the safety of the students, such as requiring James Daniel II to wear a seatbelt. Significance: this case is significant because it clarifies the liability of schools for the actions of their students. The court held that schools are not liable for the negligence of their students unless the school itself was negligent. This case provides guidance to schools on how to minimize their liability for the actions of their students. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.